Hi, I'm Carlton Moore for Ashmore Brothers, and I want to tell you about an exciting money-saving idea for repairing roads. CMRB, Cement Modified Recycle Base, is a process used to repair existing hot mix asphalt roads with significant deterioration that would require more than 15 to 20% patching. Recycling in place is more cost-effective than doing major full-depth patching. This style of in-place recycling is best suited for roadways that have no existing stone base. Many farm-to-market roads built in the upstate area were originally topsoil base, surface treated, and later overlaid with hot mix asphalt 1 or 2 times. They have no existing stone base. By recycling in place, you use the existing road materials with Portland cement additive to build a substantial roadway base. The roadway is then overlaid with lifts of hot mix asphalt depending on traffic volume based on the materials engineers designed. If the roadway has a stone base, it may be more cost-effective to use asphalt emulsion in place recycling. Let me show you how the CMRB process works. The roadway is cored by a materials engineer to verify the existing road materials and the types of soils that lie underneath. Based on this information, the engineer will recommend a depth of reclamation and a percentage of cement to be mixed into the existing road structure. The first process is to prepare the road by peeling off and removing the grass and high shoulder dirt from the roadway. This keeps the shoulders clean of buildup and waste materials and contamination during the construction process. It also keeps the road safe by allowing positive drainage to the ditches. This is performed with a motor grader clipping the shoulder, then a belt loader picks up the material and loads it into a dump truck. A broom tractor comes along behind for the final cleaning. On curbed roads, it may be feasible and prudent to mill off a certain depth of material to maintain a proper finish pavement and curb elevation. The Portland cement has been loaded into a cement spreader truck. This truck has a calibrated metered flow system that spreads the cement onto the existing road. The cement has to be placed on the road at the precise spread rate that has been designed for the specific roadway by the soils engineer. If not installed correctly, this can not only create structural problems, but also major additional cost. The Portland cement spreading is immediately followed by an in-place recycler that has a water truck attached to the front of the machine. As the recycler grinds to the precise depth of the road design, it is mixing the existing road and subgrade material, the cement, and the water in one process. It is critical that the water is metered into the mixing at the precise rate so that the proper chemical reaction and compaction will meet the road design criteria. The road is tested during this procedure for the proper cement and moisture content. Immediately behind the recycle process, a motor grader shapes and places the mixture to the proper grade and cross slope of the roadway. As the road is being shaped, compaction begins with a vibratory sheep foot roller. The motor grader then fine blades the roughly compacted CMRB, and final compaction takes place with a vibratory smooth drum roller and rubber tire roller. Compaction tests are taken at the end of this process. The road then has to cure. There are 2 methods primarily used. The wet method employs a water truck to keep the roadway moist and the mixture from drying out too fast and cracking during curing. Another method is by placing a single surface treatment at the end of each day's production to seal the moisture in and open the roadway up to traffic. The Ashmore Brothers are preferred contractors for installing this cost-saving process called CMRB, or Cement Modified Recycle Base, to meet the repair needs of existing roads. Contact Ashmore Brothers today at 864-879-7311 for an estimate on your next project. You can also visit them on the web at www.ashmorebrothers.com.